Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Introducing the self-adhesive stainless steel broom holder with hook, the perfect solution for maximizing your space and organizing your cleaning tools. Made from high quality stainless steel, this broom holder is built to last and can securely hold your mop and broom. No more leaning them against the wall and cluttering up your living space. The drill-free self-adhesive design ensures easy installation and simply peel off the backing and stick it onto any clean smooth surface. It's that simple. The tight grip technology hold your mop and broom in place, preventing them from sliding down and cluttering your floor. No more messy spills or tripping hazard. The bonus hook is a great additional to hang smaller cleaning tools like duster and dustbin. It's versatile and can be used in a variety or space from your kitchen to your garage. The sleeky silver design blends seamlessly with any decor and add a touch of elegance to your space. Say goodbye to ugly bulky plastic holders. Whether you live in a small apartment or a spacious home, the self-adhesive stainless steel broom holder with hooks is a must have for every neat freak. Maximizing space and organization has never been easier. Get your self-adhesive stainless steel broom holder with hook today and experience the difference it can make. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more innovative and product and organization solution. And guys, if you want to purchase this product, the initial link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.